Hi, I'm Chris with Coleman-Mach and Eric Cell brand. Today, I'm going to show you how to improve the interior air quality of your coach by replacing your AC air filters with a Merv 10 version. Coleman-Mach recommends that you replace your air filters about every 90 days of air conditioner use to improve not only the interior air quality, but also increase the life of your air conditioning unit. The benefits of Merv 10 filters are that they will take out larger particles like pollen, pet dander, mold, cooking odors, and smog, and it will still allow ample airflow so you'll have a nice cool coach throughout. You can learn a lot more about Merv and Merv 10 if you just do a simple internet search. There's a wealth of information out there. These products and other products for Coleman-Mach ACs can be found at retailers throughout the United States in the Coleman-Mach air quality section. And note that you do need one per AC intake within your coach. So let's get started. When we replace the air filter, we will be working overhead and there might be dust or some other debris that could come down on us. So always please wear some form of eye protection when you do this. I'm also going to use a dull butter knife to help me release two tabs that will access the interior of the AC. So on two corners, you have these two screw tabs. You just want to turn them a quarter turn counterclockwise. And I'm holding this in place so that it doesn't come down. Once those are released, I can access the air filter, and there are two tabs over on the opposite side that you need to wiggle out. To remove the air filter, again, I want to hold it in place so it doesn't fall down on me. There's just these two little tabs that turn out of the way, and there you go. When I put in the new air filter, I want to make sure that this airflow arrow is pointed upwards because this is an intake. The air goes in that direction. So when I install that, it's the opposite of the last operation, which is put these tabs in place, hold it in, take your cover, insert the two tabs, and then turn the two screw things a quarter turn clockwise. And they'll click into place. So it's that simple to improve the interior air quality. It also helps with the longevity of your air conditioning system because it improves the airflow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd also like to thank Lazy Days RV. These products and a wide array of others can be found in the Coleman-Mach climate control accessories section of your local RV retailer. Now let's go out and enjoy our RV.